This little puppy is in Rwanda. He's at a pizza place, a Moroccan pizza place. And dogs aren't really popular here, but among this family, he's very popular because they are not Rwandan. Oh no, you're supposed to be playing with Kim for the video. He likes to chew on feet. Little puppy.
Coming after you. Oh, you're coming after me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, go get her. Go get her. Oh, did you get your own tail? You got your own tail. Yeah. Ouch! That's my finger. Hey, hey. You are too cute. Oh my goodness. Nice. I don't think I got the yelp thing down. Oh, you got me. Ouch. Ouch.
Kim, what did we learn about the treatment of dogs in Rwandan society last night?
But they stole them.
And what happened to the dogs after the... Why aren't there very many dogs in the country?
Oh, I have no idea. I didn't pay attention to that part.
Oh. During the genocide, they
needed food?
killed them all because the dogs were eating the bodies.
Oh, is that why? Oh, I did not hear that part.
This is like really unhappy commentary to go with a really cute puppy.
It's a very odd video. Very odd video. Usually puppies are cute things. You're going insane. Roll over. Puppy. Roll over this way. You're gonna hit the house. You're gonna hit the cement, silly. You're gonna hit the cement. Yes. Yeah.
Savage.
Jump. Yeah. Oh, you got her. You got her. Where are you gonna take her now?